How to uninstall or reinstall Meitu app. First of all, open your device settings and scroll down to find the Apps or Application Manager section. Here you will see a list of all installed apps. Locate and tap on the Meitu app from the list. Once the app page opens, tap on the uninstall button to remove the app from your device. Confirm your choice when prompted and wait a few moments while the app is completely removed. If you want to reinstall the app, go back to the Play Store and search for Meitu. Open the app page and tap on Install to download it again. After the download completes, the installation will start automatically. Once installed, tap Open to launch the app for the first time. You may need to grant permission for camera, storage and photos to use all features of the app properly. After reinstalling, you can log in with your previous account or create a new one if needed. Now you know how to uninstall or reinstall Meitu app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.